Today I'll walk you through how to create nested folders in Obsidian. Nested folders are simply folders inside other folders, and they're one of the best ways to keep your vault organized as it grows. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian and open the vault you want to organize. You'll see the File Explorer panel on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to review your current folder structure, if you have one. If you don't have any folders yet, that's perfectly fine. We are going to build everything from scratch. Start by clicking the New Folder button, which looks like a small folder with a plus sign. Give it a name like Projects, Work, or Knowledge Base. This will be your parent folder, the top level of your new hierarchy. Now click on that parent folder to open it, or just select it so it's highlighted. Right-click the parent folder and choose New Folder from the menu. That's the key action, creating a folder directly inside another folder, not at the root of your vault. Name this subfolder something descriptive like Client A, Marketing, or Research. Then expand the parent folder by clicking the arrow beside it, and you should see your new subfolder sitting neatly underneath. That's your first nested folder. To add more subfolders, simply repeat the process. Right-click the parent folder, create a new folder, and give it a name. You can create as many as you need. For a second level of nesting, right-click one of your subfolders and create another folder inside it. Name it something like Meeting Notes, Assets, or Drafts. Now you have a hierarchy that's 2 levels deep. Use the arrows beside each folder to expand and collapse their contents, which keeps your File Explorer clean and easy to navigate. You can also move existing notes into these nested folders by dragging and dropping them. The same goes for entire folders. Just drag a folder into another folder to rearrange your hierarchy. To create new notes directly inside a subfolder, open that subfolder first, then use the New Note button. The note will be saved right there, perfectly placed. As you build out your system, establish a consistent naming convention so everything is intuitive. Consider separating active and archived content with folders like Active Projects and Archive. You can organize by topic or by department, whatever fits your workflow. When you're ready, expand all your folders and review the structure. Does it make sense? Is it easy to navigate? Rename or move folders if needed, and don't be afraid to simplify overly complex structures. The goal is a system that feels natural. Finally, commit to maintaining your folder system. Every time you create a new note, place it in the correct folder. That small habit will keep your Obsidian vault organized, scalable, and easy to navigate as it grows. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.